Well, dear students, yesterday we were reading a story. In this story, Tom Sawyer made an excuse because he did not want to go to school and pretended that his toe is paining very badly. His friend Sid got frightened and asked him about his pain. Let's see what Sid is saying here. Sid is asking, how long you have been groaning this way? Tom said, hours. Oh, don't Sid, I'm dying. No, Tom, you aren't dying. It make my flesh crawl to hear you. Flesh crawl means to creep, something moving on the body. It is a feeling that something moving on the body. What is the matter? I must call auntie. Now Sid is very frightened and say, I must call auntie. I forgive you everything, said Tom in a fresh bout of groan. Now Tom is saying, I forgive everything, and start after a short time period start groaning again. Fresh bout means a short time of time, a short period of time. When I am gone, you gave my window ash. Ash means belt or cloth. And my cat with one eye to that new girl who's come to the town, and tell her. He is pretending that he is having very pain and said to Sid, please give my this thing to that girl. But Sid had fallen downstairs and informed Paul auntie. Come quick, auntie, Tom is dying. He ignored the Tom and he runs toward the stair and called Aunt Polly. What rubbish! I don't believe it. Now Aunt Polly is shocked. But the poor lady hurried upstairs and Sid and Mary at her heel. He ran towards the upstairs with the Sid and Mary. Her face grew white and her lips trembled. Tremble means shaking. What is the matter with you, Tom? She cried. Now she is very worried and she is crying and asking, Tom, what is the matter? Oh, auntie, my toe. What is the matter with your toe? Asked auntie. Oh, auntie, my sore toe is going to fall off. So my paining toe is going to fall off. The old lady sank down in a chair with relief. Sank is the second form of sink. He sit and with relief in a chair. She laughed and a little, then cried a little, then did both together. She is laughing and cried together. This made her feel better. She said, Tom, you really did frighten me. Now he got to know about that Tom is pretending. He's saying, Tom, you really did frighten me. Now you stop this nonsense and get out of your bed. He warned Tom, please stop this nonsense and get out of the bed. Tom felt foolish at his act now that he was caught. Now Tom got to know that Aunt Polly caught him. He said, Auntie, my toe hurt so much that I wasn't worried about my tooth at all. Means he changed the excuse. Here he said, my toe is paining very badly, but in this situation I wasn't worried about my tooth. What's the matter with your tooth? Asked Aunt Polly. Well, one of them's loose and it aches awfully. Ache awfully means very extreme pain. Open your mouth and let me see. He said, open your mouth, let me check what happened to your tooth, said his auntie. Yes, it is loose. All right, but you are not going to die because of that. He checked the tooth that is losing and said, but because of this you will not die. Mary, get me a silk thread and a chunk of fire out of the kitchen. Chunk of fire means a piece of fire. Please bring a chunk of fire and silk thread from kitchen. Tom said, oh, please, Auntie, don't pull it out. Now he is afraid. Said, please don't take my tooth out. It doesn't hurt me anymore. Now he changed his statement. Now he's saying, my tooth is not paining right now. Please don't, Auntie. I don't want to stay home from school. Now I am ready to go to school. Oh, do you? Don't you? So all this drama was because you thought you would get to stay home from school and go fishing. Now she's very upset and said, you made this drama just because you don't want to go school and you want to go for fishing. Tom is very upset. Tom, I love you so much, but I am very unhappy with you. You seem to try every way you can to break my old heart with your outrageousness. Outrageousness means shocking behavior. She's saying, you break my heart just because of your shocking behavior. But this time the dental instruments were ready. You can see the thread and chunk of fire is ready here. The old lady fastened one end of the silk thread to the Tom tooth with the loop and tied the other to the bedpost. But she did one loop of silk thread he tied with the bedpost, and next is he tied with the tooth. Then she seized the chunk of fire and suddenly thrust it almost into the boy's face. Seize means to grasp. He take the chunk of fire, and thrust means to push this chunk of fire into the boy's face. The tooth hung dangling by the bedpost now. What happened? Dangling means swinging. The tooth is swinging by the bedpost. So, dear student, today we have complete our story Monday Morning Blue. In this story, we learn that we should never tell lie. Always be honest. Now we will discuss its hard word that you will write down in your notebook and learn. Monday Morning Blue hard words are miserable, further, symptoms, morning, eagerly, inspection, groaning, yawned, stare, threatened, joggle, a fool, trembled, worried, outrageousness, seized, relief. Now one more time I am going to repeat this word: miserable, further, symptoms, morning, eagerly, inspection, groaning, yawn, stare, threatened, juggle, a fool, trembled, worried, outrageousness, seized, and relief. So that's all for the today, and you will read this chapter 2 times and learn these hard words. Write and learn these hard words. Thank you for the today.